What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to solve this dope system of a quadratic and a linear equation. We got one of each, man. Sometimes you just can't choose which one you want to work with. We're going to work with both here. Woo! I love it. All right, let's get after it, shall we? I personally, as much as I love elimination method when I'm dealing with two linear equations, I'm a fan of substitution here, dogs, and they're both equal to y. So if they're both equal to y, I can just, boom, set my right-hand sides equal to each other. Technically, we're setting this guy right here. We're subbing it in for that y right there. But set the two sides equal. Now that I have these two sides equal, how the heck do I go about solving a quadratic equation? Well, unless I'm completing the square, I'm going to set this bad boy equal to 0. Let's do that. Subtract x, subtract 21. I got x squared. We got plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. My go-to method for solving is always my favorite F word, factoring. You guessed it. That's right. And if we can factor this thing, we're money, baby. So does anything multiply to negative 12 and add to positive 4? Yes. 6 and negative 2. So I'm going to have x minus 2, and I'm going to have x plus 6 equals 0. Now, I can solve each of these. I'm going to have x equals 2. I'm going to have x equals negative 6. Are we done? No. I got to figure out what my y values are for each of these, because my solution to these is where those graphs are crossing, right? I have a quadratic, something like this, and I got a positive slope, whoops, something like that. They're intersecting at two spots. I need to find those two spots. So let's take this 2 and let's sub it in. Which one are you going to go with? I'm going to go with the linear guy, right? I'm going to sub that in. I got y equals 2 plus 21. So y equals 23, which means I'm going to have the ordered pair 2, comma 23. Let's do the other one, shall we? We shall. I'm going to have y equals negative 6 is being subbed in plus 21. So I'm going to get y equals positive 15, or, not or. So our final answer would be negative 6, comma positive 15. An ordered pair for both. Those are my 2 points. That's what we got going on in those two spots there, and that is dope, my friends. See you later.